Welcome guys!
Hello!
Kasama natin ang mga tropa natin. Sila ang pinsan ko at ang kapatid ko.
Ako si Kurt.
Ako si Casey.
Ako si Katkat.
Ako si Zane. Let's play!
Nakakatakot ba to?
Oh, horror game to. Story mode. Collect all 7 notebooks and then exit the school to win. Wear headphones for the best experience.
Sorry
Oh my God. Sige. Huwag ka
Ang
maingay.
pangit ang ba?
Let's go! Goldie!
Welcome to my school house.
May warning. Ano to? School rules. When you follow the rules, no running, no entering the
No
faculty,
bullying, no drinking,
no escaping detention,
no photos.
breaks. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Go!
For everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the 3 questions
Ay, wag kayo maingay.
correctly, then you might get something special. Problem 1. 3 plus 1 equals cartoon fantastic. Problem 2. 4 plus 5 equals good one. Problem 3.
Ang galing, mga tropa.
Kaya mo yan, diba? Easy yan.
Equals great job.
Exis ako! Yes! Mga tropa. Exis naman tayo.
You did great. Come
Oh.
here in your
Sa
place.
nakawala tayo
A
notebook.
shiny
Ibang
corner.
class naman tayo. Tara, dito tayo. Yan!
Sana wag yun. Plus,
Ganito.
plus.
Problem 2.
Oy, manahil ka lang!
Minus 7 equals
Oh my God!
Mali. Hala, tapo.
Oh my God! Giyat!
Giyat
si Maki. Can you comment the answer of plus times down below, please? Or we will
Say
gonna
our names.
subscribe.
Yep. To your videos.
Yeah, we're gonna like and subscribe to your videos.
I am Idol Kurt and this is Casey's. We 3 YouTubers.
We are YouTubers.
Yep. And say
I'm
Hindi ako nagulat.
Zane. I'm your subscriber. Why are you pushing me?
Dane, dude.
Welcome to Molly's Basics in Education and Learning.
That's me.
Welcome to my
God.
school.
Baldi is
You need
so
to
bad.
collect 2 notebooks before you can use these doors.
Annoying.
Pwede na ba tayo lumabas dito, guys? Katamad eh. Oo nga. Tara, labas. Baldi, bye-bye. Baldi kung lumabas kung pwede. Oh. Bawal. We cannot go out. Baldi's watching us. So be careful, guys, if you play this game.
Yeah, this game is
This might,
crazy.
you might get a
For
heart attack.
everybody's favorite subject, math.
I'm Kurt, and that's Casey.
Problem 2. 4 plus 6
My God.
equals
Are you
Wala
okay?
na akong upuan.
Are you okay?
Okay lang ako. Wait, sana sa likod na lang ako.
great job. That's
Maybe
right.
I should
Problem 3. 4 minus 6 equals
Oh my God. Baldi is so damn.
Damn. Big.
Baldi is not good
Damn.
at this.
Uh-oh.
That's
Need
why
one.
I
One.
got the answer not correct because Baldi is cheating. 2 minus 8. I don't know. Oh,
Plus 3.
it's just easy.
11.
11. Oh my God. Ay. 1, 2, 2, 5. Ay, my God. 1, 2, 2, 6, 8, 9. I'm scared.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we got duwang.
Sige, ikaw na, ikaw na.
No, I don't want to. Ako na lang, ako na lang.
Sige, laro ka. I'm I'm your subscriber. Why do you want to do me? I don't want to play it. I'm scared.
Ako na magko-control.
Okay, fine. Ricardo, wag ka po dyan. Oh my God.
Yung pa ako.
We're in the...
Ay, na kay Sinex.
No, I don't want. Okay, ikaw na, ikaw na.
Education and
Story
learning.
mode.
That's me.
Ano, pipindutin ito.
Okay.
Oh, hi.
Tumingin ko sa likod ko ni si Baldi. Ito yung ano. Hindi ka matalo sa tumakbo ko. Bili, go. Let's go na yung game. Pag tumingin ka kay Baldi, para alam mo na ako, ayun o. Pumunta ka na, mamatay ka pa kay Baldi. Oh my God.
Kaya mag-aaral.
Everybody's favorite subject.
Zero.
Math.
Zero.
Four. Oh my God. Why did you do that, Kurt? Kurt, answer mo na yung next.
Kaya ko na mag-control.
Sino gusto mo tapang? Sino matapang? Hindi ako. Si Kat gusto matapang.
Sige. Mama!
Oh my God, Baldi, diba? Run! Baldi's here. Oh my God. Let's go. Oh my God. I just saw Baldi.
I
just
just
saw
want
Baldi. Lock the door.
I locked the door already.
Okay, fine.
Kaya! Mamamatay tayo kung pa.
Ikaw yung gumagawa ko eh.
Video mo to, Kuya Zaka!
Zane! Why did you do that? Why did you open the door? It's your fault.
Zing. Listen to me right this instant.
Yeah, we're girls. You should listen.
You don't. Hahampasin kita ng tsinelas!
Haya! Aray, did that hurt? Oh. Oh my God, I'm gonna get a heart attack.
Mamamatay ako!
I have heart attack, so don't get me in trouble or I'll get a heart attack.
Mamamatay tayo.
Alam kong ginagawa ko. Sige. 1.
1. Oh, shit.
4.
Uh-oh.
Yan yung
Ano?
Yan na. Sinasagot ng mga ano. My God. Nandiyan yung principal. Ay! I just got a heart attack. Mama!
Education
Last
and
na to lang.
learning.
Last na lang, guys. Last na. Baldi, manayin ka dyan. Galit na ako sa'yo. Ang duya mo eh. Pahamak ka, Baldi.
Now it's time for everybody's
Saan ko ano?
favorite subject.
Na heart attack ako. Ha?
Answer the
Huwag mo
3
na ako
questions.
Huwag
Right
niyo ako
job.
payain.
That's right. Problem 2. Right job. That's right. Problem 3. 4 plus 5. Good one.
Thank you, Baldi. Subscribe ako sa'yo.
You did great. Up here is
Where's my coin?
a shiny corner.
Oh, shiny corner. I thought it was a coin.
Problem 1. 6 minus 1. Great job. That's right. You're doing fantastic.
Hey, I can read it. 1 and 8, tapos 7, 8, tapos 7, 8 ulit, tapos 4, 8, tapos ano, may point, dalawa. Oh my God. Yat! Sumaki! Mr. Baldi. Sorry na.
Mr. Baldi, please don't ground us to my parents.
Please.
Don't call my
Because you're cheating.
parents. They gotta help me. Don't guys.
Zane!
You're cheating, boy.
Yeah,
Oh.
Baldi's cheating. I hate it.
You're cheating, my boy.
Yeah.
My boy. Don't go backwards.
No. Casey! Anong ginawa mo, Casey?
Uy, nilakad ko lang eh. Gusto ko lang lumakad eh. Sa iba. Sa ibang pattern na pwede.
Last na to, promise.
Sige.
Education and learning.
Hahapasin kita kung hindi to lahat.
Hi. Welcome to our school.
Okay? I'm sorry, Zane.
Nag-cellphone ka!
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the 3 questions. You're doing fantastic.
Play.
Problem 2. 9 minus
2.
equals great job.
Ako, binayos ka si Baldi.
Problem 3.
Sorry, Baldi.
Pa!
Sorry, Baldi. Huwag ka ng ano.
Nudes, bro. Nudes. Nudes.
Baldi's a nerd.
Baldi's is the...
Baldi be like, wow, thank you for calling me smart. Duh.
Tingnan mo, nagawa akong taco. Oh my gosh. Gawa ka ng... Mamamatay tayo, kuya. Thanks.
Kasi tingnan mo kung may tubig
Thanks
yung
for doing this.
Kasi,
To your brand. Wait, she's listening the banana song.
ang laki ng ano mo.
She's listening the banana song.
Oh,
Tingnan mo yung
Ba't ka pinagtutulungan?
Ang tingnan mo. Tingnan mo lang. Kasi ako maglalagay pagka...
Naka na kasi.
nakawin namin pa yun.
Thank you very much. Wala kang ginawa.
My God, that's so sweet.
I have lost you. I don't like that.
My God.
Meron pa to? Oy. Alos ka.
Ano yung sabi niya?
Ingay niyo pa ako. I made waffle. Daddy.
Yamati ka na sa... Oo, pati na. Patay.
I'm good at animes.
I am good. I'm good, bro.
Woo! My God. So, bye, guys. We're gonna see you tomorrow again.
Bro, bakit tayo nagano ulit?
Bye!
Bakit tayo ulit?
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.